Alright. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to implement some music into Construct 3. So first we have to make the music. I'm using MIDI editor. So I'm going to make this channel. I want channel 1 to be a guitar. So accept this. Clavinet. Alright, so now let's start with, this is going to be clavinet. That's guitar. So right now we're going to do the clavinet. I'm going to make some. So to get over. Go back to measure. I can't do this. Ah. So I don't know how to move through this. And I can't use these that I think would help, and I don't know why. I gotta reopen this. Close without saving. Find MIDI editor down here. Here it is. Alright, so I'll have this be a clavinet, and this be that. Alright, so let's try to make a short song. So, options. So track 1 is that. So how do I resize it? I guess I just gotta delete it. Right, so now let's get this, copy, paste over to here, paste all the way over to here. Now so that's what I'm gonna have for now. So file, save as, let's say song 1, save. Now let's go to construct 3. But make sure that you have the audio thing here. Now find music. I have something already. Now we're gonna want MIDI to WebM converter. It's lagging. Right. So let's find our thing in libraries. I think music created, yes, that's where mine is. Now song 1, we're gonna drag and drop there, convert to WebM. There's all sorts of stuff. Now we're gonna want to download WebM. Now we can close out of this and go back to our thing. Now we can drag it in here and then click import. Now let's go to, say, the title screen, system, on start of layout, and system on end of layout. So on start of layout, we're gonna want to find our audio, play our song, looping, volume, whatever you want, tag, whatever you want. And this is optional. Now, on end of layout, this is optional as well. You can choose between the looping and not looping as well. Audio, I'm gonna have stop, tag, music. So now, if we just, I updated the project. Where's that? Construct 3, copy, paste. should be able to hear it. Now, also, it stops when I do that. Good. So, I've done a little bit of stuff in Simple Tower Defense, but not much. Now, when I go back here, it plays the song as well. Good. So, 1 sec. Where is the thing? I'm gonna pause. All right.
Okay.
All right. So now we have implemented music and made it work. Anyway, that's gonna be the end of this video. Bye, everyone.